Hi, hello Beyond. This is me once again, and welcome back to my new another video. So, good evening, and I say good evening because of its evening time, and I prefer to evening time making this video to other time because of its environment cold and natural situations. So I like this situation. So that's why most of the time I will try to make videos in this time. So today I will discuss actually how to earn money on online sector. So in this time, most of the people know how to earn money on online sector. I just describe in these topics deeply. Okay, so this is my main things, my main topics. Today exactly I will discuss about this topics. So this is the main things today in this my video. So exactly there are many kind of way to earn money exactly on online sector. Believe me or not, 2024 in this time actually various way to earn money in this time exact. So you need to first of all just any kind of skills. Without you can't achieve any kind of money without any kind of skills, it's not possible. So you should first of all any kind of skills that can really help to earn money. Yes, what can I say? Exactly. You say, for example, you earned money. Not only you, I think most of the people, everybody want to earn money on online sector. So the main problem is exactly they are not working properly. They are not exactly achieve any kind of skills. So ultimately they are most of the time failure. So this is the most thing. So you need to just focus any kind of skills, and first time just you not focus earning money. Just you focused skills, and you have to achieve any kind of skills by any cost when you just learning these topics or something like that. So this is the things, and it's very beneficial for you in future in your life to earn money easily. Believe me or not, it's true. It's obviously true, and undoubtedly it's make money. So whatever, and you can make money on online easily, and it's possible. So say for example, you are a good student and you can make videos that can really help to every students, and you can make many kind of videos that you can upload YouTube or Facebook platform, and you can continue, but don't give up. You can continuously continue upload your video and making your related video because of you are a good student. You know exactly how to make many kind of math or many kind of science related subject. You can easily solve these topics. You can make this video and you can upload this. I mean, you can make content. Okay. So this is the things, and that can really help you to earning money. And on the other hand, say for example, you are a doctor, and say for example, whatever, you can a doctor, you can a farmer, or you can businessman. You know how to grow your business, and it's actually, frankly speaking, you know very well how to grow a business that can really help to earn money. So you can describe these topics. I know how to exactly grow your business. These topics you can relate it. You can make video, and that you can upload this video in YouTube or Facebook platform. You can make money easily. So this is the things, and just you can first achieve any kind of skills that can really help you to earn money. So this is the main things today my videos. So I don't want to longer this video because of this evening time almost getting dark. So thanks for watching this video patiently, and next time see you my new another video. So till then, take care. Bye bye.